What's the meaning of chart topper? Chart topper. Chart topper.
Chart topper. Chart topper. Chart topper refers to a song or album that has reached the #1 position on a music chart. This term is commonly used in the music industry to describe a release that has achieved significant commercial success and resonated with a broad audience. Achieving chart-topping status can signify an artist's popularity and success, leading to increased exposure, sales, and critical acclaim. It is a highly coveted achievement in the industry, as it represents the highest level of mainstream success and recognition. Overall, being a chart topper is a defining moment for any musician's career.